So I've just done some work on my Yanmar 4JHE. It's got 3,234.9 hours on it now. So it's quite a bit more than the last time I made a video regarding this engine. So what I've done to it is it did smoke a bit when it started up and at idle. And it, it went away when it was at operating temperature and at cruising speed, but back at idle again it did smoke a bit, which I thought I should probably try to correct. So what I did was I changed the valve seals on it, which wasn't too bad. I actually did that with the head on. I just made sure each piston was at top dead center, and then the valves only dropped down about I don't know, 1/8 of an inch, because being a diesel it's very high compression, so the piston comes all the way up to the head almost. So that wasn't too bad. Changed the valve seals. Had to take the tappet assembly off, and then after that it was not too bad. And I had my fuel injectors cleaned and rebuilt. Actually, it had the wrong nozzles in it. In the fuel injectors, there's 3 different generations of fuel injector nozzles for these over the period that this engine was made. So this is the latest version of this 4JHE. So it's got the correct nozzles in it now, and so I'm just going to fire it up and we'll see what happens. So I'm going to put the throttle at 2, like I always do. Water's on. Starts right up. Take it down to about 1,000 RPM. There's at 1,000 right now. It's actually a lot quieter than it used to be. I guess the fuel injectors were, 2 of them were dribbling, and I guess the opening pressure was off as well. So let's check the smoke now out of the exhaust. Still smokes a bit, although it's not anywhere near as bad as it used to be. So there you go. Maybe once I get it up to operating temperature, I will show you the smoke situation. So it's been running for a few minutes now. Still smokes a little bit. Much better than it was. So you can see the smoke. Now, I haven't taken it out yet. When I do, in a couple days, I plan to run it quite hard for a while, which should clean up any carbon in the cylinders from the that was built up over the last while with the incorrect injectors. And like I say, it's not at operating temperature yet. It takes a while to really warm up unless you actually go out and drive the thing under load. So anyway, there you go. That's my boat after doing a bit of work. My engine, I should say.